Do use filters. If you take a look at these landscape photos, they look amazing because the photographer took the trouble to slot in filters in front of their lens. Don't expect that the sky would look beautiful if you don't own a filter. And generally, there are 4 types of filters. The first one is called neutral density filters. These are typically plastic that look like this. They're solid in color from top to bottom. When you attach a neutral density filter in front of your lens, what happens is that it cuts down light. And that is why neutral density filters come in stops. 1 stop, 2 stop, 3 stop, right up to 10 stops. But the problem with neutral density filters are the whole filter is solid in color. What if I want to make only the top part of my filter darker so that my sky looks bluer? Now, every landscape photographer can tell you if you underexpose the sky, you get more intense color. Blue would look bluer. And that is why we have gradual neutral density filters. They look like this, and only the top part is colored. So the bottom part of the filter is not affected with any color, and you actually do not darken the ground or the foreground. Another popular filter among photographers is the polarizing filter. What does it do? A polarizing filter works by allowing the photographer to limit the direction and also the angle of the light that comes into the camera. And by doing so, it allows you to cut down reflection and glare, and that is why you get beautiful pictures that look like this. So if you ever need to shoot a photo of your subject sitting in a beautiful car but you do not want to get the reflection of the windscreen, slap on the polarizing filter in front of your lens. One of my favorite type of filters, the close-up filters. What they do, they allow you to shoot closer. Every lens would have a minimal focusing distance. Example, if you look at my favorite f1.8 50mm, the shortest distance that I can focus is about 1 feet away. So if I were to focus on this camera here, nope, I will not be able to focus. But if I were to focus at the edge of the table, which is 1 feet away. So in order for me to shoot something closer and bigger, I need to put on close-up filters. And close-up filters come in variants of magnification ratio. You have the 2 times, the 3 times, the 4 times, and right up to even 10 times. But I would strongly advise you to go no further than 4 times because you're going to get your subject too blurry. And there's a lot of degradation if you use anything above 4 times.